Sa day 2 ng aming Hong Kong trip, we visited the happiest place on earth. What's up mga Lodi? Of course, hindi makukumpleto ang Hong Kong escapade namin without visiting the iconic Hong Kong Disneyland. And today, I'll be sharing with you my personal experiences, tips and must-knows para sulit din ang pagpunta nyo dito. Medyo mahaba ito, so I'll divide it into 2 parts. First half, the tips, guides and hacks na dapat nyong malaman. And the second half is my honest ratings and reviews sa mga rides and attractions na na-experience ko. So tara, let's go! Prior kayo mag-book ng ticket dito, check first their ticket calendar sa official website ng Disneyland para malaman nyo kung which date ang may counting crowd. Better kung yung tier 1 or 2 ang mapili ninyong araw para mas less ang tao at ma-enjoy nyo ang buong theme park. Mas hassle-free din kung mag-advance booking na rin kayo ng ticket via Klook. Make use of my promo code na nakalagay sa caption and comment section para you can get additional discount. Di na kami nag-early pass para makatipid, pero kung gusto nyo ng iwas pila, pwede nyo rin i-consider yon. Kung galing kayo ng Mongkok or City proper, MTR ang pinaka-convenient way para makapuntang Disneyland. Basta may laman ng Octopus card nyo, no problem kahit mag-transfer pa kayo ng train, same lang din naman ang bayad. Also, wag nyo rin palampasin ang chance na makapagpa-picture sa loob ng Disneyland train. Kung marami na kayong kasabay papuntang Disneyland, I suggest na from Disneyland sumakay uli kayo ng train pabalik ng Sunny Bay. Usually, mas kaunti kasi yung tao sa ganung biyahe kaya mas may chance kayong masolo ang train for a quick photoshoot. For easy navigation, make sure to download the Disneyland app. It has everything you need just like the park map, ride wait time, show schedules, and even updates if a ride is closed. Usually, the gates open for regular ticket holders around 9:30 AM pero hindi pa open agad ang mga rides and attractions. So habang naghihintay, you can drop by the City Hall near the entrance, and here's the fun trick. Para magka-souvenir, tell the cast members it's your birthday kahit hindi naman talaga, and they'll give you a free birthday pin. At ang masaya dito, all day long you'll get greetings from cast members. Also, since we went during Hong Kong Disneyland's 20th anniversary, they were giving out free mini fancy cups too. Just go to any shop that offers it, choose your design, and show your ticket voucher at the counter to claim it. Once na mag-open na ang park at 10 AM, make sure na planuhin mabuti ang mga attractions na pupuntahan. I suggest go for those rides na less yung pila para kahit papaano ay may natatapos na. All the attractions are open for guests naman unless may mga kids kayong kasama. Pricey ang mga pagkain dito sa Disneyland kaya dapat busog ka bago pumunta. Char! Pwede ka naman magbaon pero yung simple snacks lang tulad ng mga ito. Kaya tipid tips, tulad namin mag-book kayo ng ticket with meal voucher via Klook, may kasama ng lunch or dinner plus snacks like popcorn and ice cream. Sulit na yan kesa bilhin mo pa lahat ng yan dito. Likewise, may kamahalan din ang mineral water dito. Kaya naman kung di ka rin naman maselan, magdala ka na lang ng tumbler mo dahil may drinking station naman dito. Mura lang naman yung foldable tumbler na yan, check yung the yellow basket and add to cart na. Dahil summer season na magpunta kami kaya naman sobrang init din sa pakiramdam. So kung nagpaplano kayong pumunta ng ganitong season, make sure na magsuot lang ng comfy clothes and shoes dahil for sure mahaba-habang lakaran ang gagawin mo dito. Huwag nyo rin palampasin ang pagkakataon na mapanood ang mga shows na ipinapalabas dito. Just like the Festival of Lion King, the Fantastic Parade, and the momentous night show. Take note, be there 30 minutes to 1 hour before the shows para makakuha ng magandang pwesto.
Friends, fill your heart with celebration that lasts long past the stroke of midnight.
At ang pinaka-importante, this is your once-in-a-lifetime chance to rekindle your inner child. So take your time, enjoy every moment, and create memories you'll never forget. And that's it for today's vlog. Abangan nyo ang part 2 ng aking Hong Kong Disneyland adventure, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more.